We believe the Australian small company sector provides an attractive option for longer-term investors to meet the needs and challenges facing investors today. Investors need to look at new forms of capital growth, and the Australian small company sector has the potential to deliver strong absolute returns, as well as attractive returns relative to other asset classes. Secondly, early stage investing. When you look at a number of the larger companies listed, they are typically mature businesses, have low growth options, and are prone to disruption going forward. So how do investors get exposure to emerging sectors and thematics? The Australian small company sector provides the ability for investors to have exposure to these type of companies that are yet to be fully appreciated by the market. Some thematics include decarbonisation as well as electrification. Also, the diversification benefits of Australian small companies. The unique and idiosyncratic exposures of Australian small companies, when mixed with other asset classes, provides significant diversification benefits. And finally, the alpha generation potential from the Australian small company sector. As time has gone on, investment markets have become increasingly sophisticated, which has made it more challenging for investors to consistently beat the market. The Australian small company sector has the potential for investors via an active strategy to beat market returns. Key reason for that there is as you go further down the market capitalisation spectrum for companies, the level of research decreases. We have also seen an industry shift to more quantitative and index strategies, which increases the potential for Australian small companies investing to exploit these inefficiencies going forward.
Our passion is discovering undervalued Australian small cap companies with idiosyncratic exposures. Our investment philosophy and process is designed to create an all-weather portfolio that aims to outperform the market in most environments. And our investable universe contains over 600 stocks listed outside the ASX 100 and with a market capitalisation of over $100 million. We undertake fundamental proprietary research to generate insights that provide an information advantage. As part of our research effort, the team conducts over 1,000 meetings a year with company management, customers, suppliers, competitors, and other industry sources. In addition to this work, detailed company and sector analysis is undertaken by our in-house ESG team, and we leverage research from a range of other sources, including industry expert networks, website traffic analysis, and consumer spending data. The strategy was seeded first at AMP Capital in 2013 and continued here at Maple-Brown Abbott from June 2022. Over that period, the strategy has generated strong absolute and relative performance for our clients.
We define ourselves by our earnings drive share prices investment philosophy. We don't bucket ourselves into any particular investment style like growth or value. We focus on a company's idiosyncratic exposures because we believe that this is the consistent form of alpha generation in the Australian small caps universe. On top of that, we look at not only the quantum of medium-term earnings delivery for a company, but where it is positioned in the earnings life cycle. Given the breadth and depth of opportunities, we believe that we can find investment opportunities that are compelling at any stage in the investment cycle. Our core beliefs are supported by rigorous academic research, as well as evidence from the track record of the Australian small companies universe. These are based on three main factors. Firstly, a company's share price is determined by its medium-term actual earnings delivery. While valuation is key, we believe that earnings delivery is the primary driver for share prices. Second of all is sustainability. Sustainable companies have a track record of delivering better risk-adjusted returns. And finally is short-term earnings. Companies that disappoint versus market expectations at the next reporting period typically underperform, and either avoiding or minimising exposure to those companies has the potential to lead to better returns. Combining those three factors has proven to generate consistent, market-leading risk-adjusted returns.
Business sustainability is integral to our investment process, and we believe we have a market-leading and differentiated sustainability framework. To us, companies with sustainable business models are typically characterised by strong earnings persistence and superior risk-reward characteristics over longer time periods and across various market cycles. In our experience, small-cap investors tend to underappreciate the link between the sustainability of a company's business model and its long-term business success. We believe this creates an opportunity for investors like us who deep dive into industry positioning, continuously engage with company boards and management, and rate companies on environmental, social and governance factors in order to provide insights and potentially gain better returns. We're passionate about what we do and we're proud to be part of the Maple Brown Abbott story.